Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the gift card type and balance. This matters because Flipkart handles physical and e-gift codes differently. Log into your Flipkart account, then go to My Account and open gift cards to begin. Once logged, select Redeem Gift Card and be ready to enter the card number and PIN exactly as printed. Make sure you use a desktop or updated app to avoid formatting errors. Small typos are the most common cause of failures. Now, enter the card number and PIN into the redeem form. Type slowly and verify each character because a single wrong digit triggers an error. After you click Apply, the system validates the code and shows the amount that will be added to your Flipkart wallet. If prompted, choose whether to convert to a redeemable code or directly load to wallet. On some cards, you must load to wallet first. Once validated, make sure the balance appears under wallet before proceeding to checkout. Finish by using the wallet balance at checkout or copying the provided redeem code into your account settings for later. Once done, confirm the new balance and save any confirmation number or screenshot for records. If the code fails, first retry after 10 minutes and recheck digits. Network issues can momentarily block validation. If problems persist, contact Flipkart support with the card photo, purchase receipt, and error text so they can trace and resolve the transaction quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.